What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video.
Hey!
Richardo's with me, and believe it or not, it's been 7 months since we actually last hung out. It was like before New Year's, which is absolutely crazy.
Well, we did Legends.
That's true.
Last time we...
Alright, so Legends Tour in June, May. But anyways, we're checking out a Target. Alright, we're entering the aisle, and well, the mission today is to find another one of those Circuit Legends Porsches. Yikes. Not good so far. We got a couple team transports here. Not the new set. Although they do have an end cap, so let's peek at the end cap. Do they got the Porsche set? Have you seen the Porsche set yet? Yeah, you haven't because my video hasn't dropped yet for you to see it. But there is one, and I bet you we find it today. There's a blue Porsche right in the bottom.
I haven't seen these JDMs either.
They're not bad. They're not bad. I bought a bunch of them.
I don't have a cartoon.
Yeah, I bought the whole set. The only one I didn't buy was these two Celicas, but I got the Corolla, the Supra, the Celica on the top, the Supra, the A86, and the GR86.
So this one says it's a Toyota Celica, but I believe that's a Supra because of the lights.
Yeah, it's the Celica Supra, I think is the name of it.
Yeah, this is the 83 Supra for sure because of the lights.
Oh, there's more up here.
Like that.
Those are the muscle ones, right? Yeah, the muscle ones just don't do it for me. Still waiting for this to go on clearance, because it will. It'll be $5.
So it's a Toyota set, huh?
Yeah, it's a whole Toyota set. I don't know why they call it JDM, but maybe the next one will have different cars. They might have an end cap. Yes, I knew it. But it's C-case, right? They just keep getting C-case at Target. Yeah, dude. They keep getting C-case because it's got the Target red Civics in it. But I've not seen any Civics.
Having any pain?
Yeah, someone grabbed this because they got beat to the chase.
Or it's a headache to go chasing.
Yes, that too. Alright, well, some good cars in here, but we have them all. The pegs are mostly empty, so this is definitely not new. But I don't think today was a stocking day. Because it's about 11 in the morning on a stocking day, and it doesn't look like anything's been put out. That's cool. I wanted to do custom on that one. I just never got around to it.
On this.
It is definitely Target red overload here, though. Look at that, dude. Yeah, you know how many Civics were here? I had a dream I found a bunch of Civics, though. There's a treasure hunt right on the front. You got that one?
Yeah, that one I got.
Yeah, me too. It's a good one, though. The color's nice. Same color as this, though. And this. Huh.
Treasure hunt wannabe.
I know. I remember the first time I saw this, I was like... And then I realized it wasn't the one I thought it was. And then there's a new motor show coming with a bunch of supercars in it. I've been looking for that. But yeah, we're going to find that Porsche set today. I guarantee it. We'll find the Matchbox Porsches. Alright, we're checking out a neighborhood market. Richardo's got the perfect form today. Alright, let's see. Here's some boulevards. Richardo's looking for the Datsun. I may just give him mine because I don't even really care about that car, to be honest. Yikes, it's pretty bad here. Anything up there? No. That's a quick stop.
Seems like they're a little behind too.
Yeah. Alright. Let's see if we could find some new Matchbox. Alright, let's see. Ugh. They did get these too.
Box.
Yeah, they had some boxes, so I don't know if they got both or if there's more. But it's not looking so good here. For a while, this was the spot, man. Alright, Dollar Tree. I think this store has some of those little pullback cars I've been liking. I haven't been in here in a while. When's the last time you were here?
In this particular store, probably 3 months.
3 months. Alright, well, let's see if they got... I saw K-Case at a Dollar General, and I think J is the last I've seen at a Dollar Tree. So, fun fact, if you switch the front two names of Dollar Tree and Dollar General, you get the same name. Alright, it's pretty stocked here. The Ford Mustang. This is a newer case of Matchbox. Looks like we got a J case. Yep, J. It's pretty full, actually.
Yeah, these are... I just put them out. Wish I had my glasses.
My flash is on. Since when? That's weird. Here's the orange Cayman or Macan. I went for a ride in one of these. Yeah, that thing's sweet. You don't have that one yet?
No, I do.
Wait, is this the new Prius? No. Can't even believe I just said that, but the new Prius is sick. How many years do you think these things have been here? Oh, look. Do I have this one yet? I don't think I have this open. We're gonna grab this. Mainline. So J-Case Super is the... Which car is it?
Was it the Jeep?
No, that's F-Case. G-Case... It's the Porsche. No, J-Case. Man, why can't I think?
Safari?
No, that's G-Case. I don't know. Coming up short here. Pretty sure those pullbacks were down here last time I saw them. Yep, here they are. What do they got left? The GTR, which we saw. Oh, they put the sticker over the 3. Okay, they're 5 now. Oh, they're pretty much gone. Here's the Aventador / Sion. Chevy C10 down here. Moving on to a Walmart. Let's see what's inside. It is very busy in this aisle. We are not looking good. Premiums. I don't think I've really ever found much in this store, actually. I think this is one of the busiest stores. Am I wrong?
I think they're in trouble.
Oh no.
It's made to be like that.
We need help. Help. That's kind of cool.
Oh, that's funny.
Little Russian doll. That's cool. That's not bad. I like that. I still haven't seen the other ones. They must be so cool to not see them every time they show up. I wonder if this store has... Oh, they has. They has. Here's a...
917.
The one I don't have. It's the only one I don't have. I don't know though. $8 when you don't love it. It's not that
Looks better on this.
I found a new one of these last night, dude. It's got the McLaren F1. Oh, sick. Oh wow.
Looks better on that scale.
Oh. How did I not notice this before?
That's pretty sick.
Yeah, the custom Nova. It's unique for sure. M case. They got M case here. Oh, it's been tricky. Publix used to come back. And they're selling cases here too now. That's kind of cool. It doesn't look like they got the collector's case though. This store didn't get the Hot Wheels. Interesting. I wonder why. You thinking about it? It's only 6? 6?
6-pack for 70.
6 for Are you sure?
I got 100.
Yeah, I know. I just bought 40 for like 30 on
Yeah.
eBay or Amazon. 6? That's wild. Holy
I
cow.
ordered mine from like Alibaba or something.
Yeah, exactly.
And I don't think I paid more than $25 for 100.
Alright. Let's move on. I said it earlier. The new Prius is sweet, dude. I mean, if you're gonna drive a Prius, you might as well drive one that looks like that, right? Can't even believe that. Beautiful car. Sick. Yo, look at this. Purple on the flat gray. And it's got like the louvers in the back too. What's up with these cars today? A Prius and then a Sonata getting some camera time. All right, we're on to another Target. Let's see what this one's got.
Yeah, yep.
We have to get one to open.
86.
I mean, if that's here, we might get lucky here. No. No circuits. They only got one case, 1 or 2 cases here. They're not hitting too hard, or they didn't yet. This is like extended out. Wait, what case is this? M case. They got M case here. When did they get it though? M. Dumping.
Yeah.
I'm holding this so I don't lose it. Was there a dumping? It's down here. This looks like a C case. Yep. C in the bin, M in the peg. This is the first time I've really looked through the main lines for M. I saw them at Target or Walmart. I saw them at Walmart. I went through quickly. I actually bought this. I couldn't believe it. On the bike. It's good. It's a good one. No pink Porsche. Man, I can't believe I couldn't find the second drop of the Porsches. There's a Kai swap. That's new. Alright. Well, I think I'm going to take this to open it. What's happening with this stupid... And I'll probably take the Kai swap too, right? We're going to piece together. There's this Jurassic Park.
That is pretty sweet.
Yeah, they're not bad.
I like that one.
It's acquired taste. The more I look at them, the more I start to like them. Is that it, though? I'm surprised the AE86 is here. That's the hard one to find, I thought. Right? Because the Supra's not here. Yeah, dude. The Corolla and the Supra. I thought this would be the hard one to find. Well, I'm going to grab it so I can open it. Because that's pretty dope. It is funny, though. This is a different selection than all the other stores I've been to. Okay. Something for this hunt. Anything?
No, I don't see anything I don't have or want.
Okay, didn't see these. $8 for that, huh? Got the Porsche, the bright Corvette. No, it's fresh. If only there was supers for this. Imagine there were supers. Oh, there's the Tacoma. Dude, that's pretty cool. What's this one? This is the other Toyota, isn't it? Oh, it's just an off-brand. You know what? I think I'm going to go for that and
You got a
these.
Corvette already.
No, but I'm sure I'll see it again. But I can't leave this behind.
You might not see that one.
We have the green one and we have the blue one. Now we're going to have the orange one. Alright guys, before we go over what I bought in this video, I want to show you this right here. Richardo gave me this, and it is an Airbus A321, probably the most common jet you fly in when you take a trip. And, well, there you go. We couldn't find it today, so it's yours.
That's sweet. Thank you, Mike.
You're welcome. Enjoy it. Hopefully I find another one, because I owe this to someone else too. And, well, it'll leave me with an open one. But really, at the end of the day, this can be mine until I give it away. So hopefully you find it. I don't know what it is about wanting one carded to view, but I'd much rather have you be happy than me holding on to two for no reason.
Phenomenal.
Yeah, it's so pretty. I think that might be, in my opinion, casting of the year. I might like it more than the F40.
It's a Porsche, so
yeah.
It's already casting of the year for me.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. So hopefully you can find one of these.
Yep. I'm looking.
This is sweet. Thank you so much for it. I will cherish this because this is the real deal. This ain't no toy. This ain't the toy you get at the airport. It was a great day. Thank you so much for hanging out.
See you soon.
Alright, that was a lot of fun hanging out with Richardo. We always have a great time. But let's go ahead and look at this one more time. This was Richardo's gift to mine. The Airbus A321 XLR Neo. I guess this is the big boy, the real deal. It's got different fuel tanks, he was telling me, so we can go a little bit farther. Yeah, this is like an authentic die-cast airplane. Like, this thing is so freaking cool. It's got a lot of weight to it. I've been wanting one of these for quite some time. Definitely a lot more detailed than a Hot Wheels or a Matchbox. And I will cherish this. Thank you so much, Richardo. That was so kind of you, man. This thing is so freaking cool. So sick. And here's what we got in the hunt. So, since I haven't really found many M cars, I'm probably just going to piece the case together as I find it. But we got another one of these Mercedes-Benz 500E in silver, well, dark gray. I got this a couple videos back. We did a sun check on it, and it was epic. Look at that. Yeah, this is such a cool car, man. Mid-90s Mercedes. dope. And as I had mentioned recently, this was recently out in green, so it's cool to see it. I think I have a white one. Look at the front of that, dude. What? How classy is that, man? So sick. And I grabbed one of these Kai swaps. This is now pink. I think the last color we had was red. I don't think we had any other colors. Besides that, I think it's metallic pink, actually. Oh yeah, it sure is. There's your sun check on the Kai swap. Did you ever think you would see a Kai swap sun check? I didn't. And it's got the teal interior. Very, very 90s styled right here. It says Matt Gabe Styles on the side. Look at that paint, dude. Sick. And it's got pink wheels. Little baby tiny pink wheels. And of course the motor hanging out the back. This one is like dark gray, whereas the other one was just like normal colored metal. We also grabbed this guy here, the Porsche 911 GT3 pullback car. Like I said, I have the blue one. I also have the green one. So of course we had to get the orange one. Absolutely awesome. I don't usually buy these cars unless I really like them. But you know, how am I supposed to leave this behind? I don't know if I'll ever see it again. I'm sure I probably will. But I mean, that was like a fresh case, so grab it. Grab it, grab it, grab it. And we got another car tuned. I want to open it, so. I'm surprised that this one was there compared to some of the others. I feel like this is the most popular one, isn't it? Cool. Little baby. It's a little baby. Yeah. Definitely cool, man. I mean, you know. Not the coolest thing in the world. Like I said, there's been so many positive comments, but also a very strange amount of negative comments and word choices about the cartoon and how they're wasting money and how I should save my money. But you know what? To each their own. That's why there's so many different brands and so many different styles. So everyone has something they can like or dislike. Very cool. I love it. We opened 2 bangers in this video. Hopefully we can find M case, N case, something. I want to find more of these. I've only found this one when I found L case the first time. So hopefully we can find more. There's 2 in M case. Time will tell, I guess. We might jump straight to N and then P and then Q. We may never even see M or N. I don't even know. Publix is having a distribution issue. This is what I'm told. So time will tell how it all works out. But hopefully it doesn't last forever. Thank you so much for watching. And we'll see you in the next one. Later.